Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. My name is Karla. I just want to take a minute to thank all of y'all for supporting my channel and all the new subscribers and all the love that y'all have given me. I just want to say thank you and let you know that I am very, very, very grateful for y'all. Now, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Today is going to be a deep cleaning of my kitchen, but before I went into the kitchen, I wanted to go ahead and make sure that my bedroom was tidied up. I did have some laundry to put up and I wanted to make sure that the bed was done. I just feel better once my bedroom is cleaned first. I just feel like if the bed is not made, I will probably lay in it and just YouTube all day. But I had to get up, make sure that the bedroom is cleaned up, and then I went ahead and went right into that kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy this video today. And if you do not forget to leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into the cleaning.
I feel like the ocean. Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in. Sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you see? When times get rough, I try to tell you we need to fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no
Okay, now we are in the kitchen, and the kitchen did not need a lot of cleaning. It just needed some organizing. So here I am putting up my sparkling water drinks and kind of organizing the pantry a little bit. My husband had gone to the grocery store and got some snacks and cereals for the kids, and I wanted to go ahead and put them in their containers. I don't like cardboard boxes. I try to have everything out of the cardboard box and like have in some sort of container, and I am still on the lookout for some pop-up containers. I just don't know how I want the pantry organized, but for right now, this is what works for me as far as the kids' cereals and their snacks. Now, in the kitchen, I did not do a lot of, I didn't have to do a lot of organizing just because I had done a decluttering like a few weeks ago. And I think that video was, I think it was like maybe 2 or 3 videos ago. I'm not sure. But what I really wanted to do was clean cabinets because you guys, there were fingerprints all over these cabinets, food, sauces. I really do not know what our kids do. They just, I don't know, their dirty hands are all over, fingerprints all over. So that's mainly what I wanted to do. And then, of course, I'd done some reorganizing up at the top of the cabinets. I did film that, but I did not realize that my camera had died. The battery died. So I don't have that footage for y'all, but I do have a video of how it all turned out in the end.
Have fun, the trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our
Okay, and here I am getting rid of these cutting boards to make this drawer a dish towel drawer. Now, originally the dish towels were in the kitchen, but when I redid my laundry room, I went ahead and put the dish towels in the laundry room. But after my decluttering video, I realized that I did have some space, so I decided to bring them back. Also, because the cutting boards, those are really old and I wanted to get rid of those anyway, so I decided to go ahead and put the dish towels in this drawer and then just keep all the tablecloths and things like that in the laundry room, and then find a different home for any new cutting boards that I get in the future. Y'all, cleaning this corner of the kitchen was so satisfying to me because there were like little like spiders or like little cobwebs at the top. I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I got up here. It felt so good afterwards to have that corner cleaned up, especially because I do have plants. Those plants are real, and sometimes I see like little bugs, I guess, around them. I don't know how or why they just like to fly in those. I have no idea. It's an aloe plant, and then the other one, I forget what the other one is. But here, this basket right here, I had just filmed organizing the top of the cabinets. As you can see, there's different decor up at the top, but that is when my camera died, so I don't have that footage for y'all. And then the only one I have is this one, me cleaning up here. But definitely at the end, you can see that I kind of changed up and swapped up the decor. I don't really have a theme in my kitchen. I feel like I'm still kind of waiting because I do want to redo the kitchen as far as the cabinets are concerned. I want to paint them or change them out. And then, of course, our appliances, we're changing them out little by little. We already did the sink, obviously, and then the stove. Now we have to do the dishwasher and then the microwave and the oven and then the ice maker. So there's a lot of things that I still can't picture as far as decor just because we're changing the appliances little by little, not all at once. So hopefully we'll get to that soon and I can kind of have an idea of how I want my kitchen to look. But for right now, this works for us.
Under the lazy evening sun. Drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
Alright guys, that is it for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. And if you are new here today, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!
You know ain't no friends, so tell me what are we? You know that I hate this game. You apologize, always say that you're sorry, but why does it feel the same?